Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we will learn OOPS concepts from the scratch. This is object-oriented programming session number 5. What is an object in Java? If you are confident about learning, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we have discussed about what is a class. It's a blueprint or template from which objects are created. Same thing. Now we'll compare with the real time thing because already mentioned object is an instance of a class, a copy or result of that class. Here already we are having the car model. This just a class because it's just a template. Whatever the car Maruti or Audi, BMW, these are called as the objects because this is a template from which objects are created. Maruti, Audi, BMW, Toyota, Benz, whatever it is. This is just a template. Two headlight, four tires. This is the base. So after that, each and every car having some properties and methods. Am I right? So these are called as the objects because from this template only these objects are created. Laptop also. So laptop is a class. The objects are Lenovo, HP, whatever it is, because they have the template. So from the template only these Lenovo, HP laptops are created. Okay. Mobile phone. So mobile phone is the base. What is that? A class. From that year mobile phone is a class. From that Galaxy, Lumia, iPhone, Redmi, Oppo, all these objects are created. I hope now you can able to easily understand. So then what is that? Objects have the properties and methods. If I'm taking the Galaxy mobile phone, the processor, RAM, camera quality, so these are the properties. Data member methods are data members means these are the properties. Methods are make a call, send a SMS, capture the image, playing games. All these things come into the methods behavior. If you're taking the Samsung mobile as an object, the data members are 2 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM, calling, texting, all these things come under the methods. This RAM, ROM and all coming under the data members. So comparing to the previous theory one, now you can able to easily understand. Next, what are the characteristics of an object means? Three main characteristics. State, what it represents the data, what's the data is stored. Okay, so store using the variables fields. For in student object name, roll number, all these things come under the state. Behavior, the method, action, what is that? Display marks, deposit, playing, eating. So all these things come under the action behavior. Next, identity in the sense it's a unique id. It is automatically assigned by the gem. We can't able to see that external user. We can't able to see that for each and every object. It having separate unique ID. How we having the separate other number or separate door number. So like that, here also it is having the separate unique identity. Okay. So gem will take care about that. We don't worry about that. Okay. Use internally to uniquely identify each. Okay. What is the syntax to create an object? Important thing: class name, object name, or reference variable. This name is called as the object name or reference variable equal to new class name. Many of the beginners will confuse that this reference variable is called as the object. It is not the object. New. When we giving the new keyword at the time, newly memory will be allocated at the runtime. For which class? This class name. What class name we are giving? For that, we'll create a new memory. Okay, we'll create a new memory in the. Okay, so this is the procedure. It will create a object in that heap memory area. Okay, so to refer that object, we are using the reference variable name. To refer this object, we are using the reference variable name. Again, repeating the syntax: class name, object name, or reference variable name equal to new class name. At the time only, object will be created while giving the keyword new class name. The time only object will be created, then only next this data members or methods can be accessed by using this reference variable name, object or reference variable name. Okay, so this is what they are telling clearly here. Here, what is the class name? Student is the class name. What is the object reference variable name? Student one. New student only creates a object at runtime. Important point. new student, the memory will be allocated at a runtime because we are using the heap memory. Okay, so you have to try it by your own. So I already provided the task. Okay, mobile phone, pen, student, employee. For that, you just find out the suitable object name and as per the syntax, write it. For your practice, I'm telling mobile phone. If I'm using mobile phone, my phone equal to new mobile phone. Likewise, you can write in your own style. Don't go with the same thing. Okay. First, note on this task on mobile phone. I already explained. Pen, student, employee, car. Pen, student, employee, car. Okay. The next session or notes we'll discuss in a programming way. So far, from session number 1 to 5, we are discussing only in theory because strong foundation about theory is required. Then only you can able to understand the remaining one. Okay, we'll discuss it one by one. If you found the session useful, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.